Welcome to our IBM I tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the powerful percent timestamp function, which allows us to convert strings into timestamp data types and manage timestamp formatting efficiently on the IBM I platform. The percent timestamp function in IBM I is essential for converting strings into timestamp values. It provides flexibility in handling various timestamp formats and ensures accurate representation of date and time data. Let's explore its syntax. Percent timestamp value ISO. Here, the input value that we wish to convert to a timestamp is the first parameter. The second option, which informs us of the input string's timestamp format, can also be mentioned. Let's look at an example to understand how percent timestamp works in practice. In this example, we initialize char time with a character string representing a timestamp. Percent timestamp is used to convert char time into a timestamp using ISO format. We also demonstrate converting the current system date and time into timestamp format with varying levels of fractional seconds. When we run this program, the output displayed will be converted timestamp from chartime:2024 to 05-30-14.53.50.0123445 current system timestamp with fractional seconds up to first position and second position respectively. That wraps up our overview of the percent timestamp function in IBM I. It's a crucial tool for converting string representations of dates and times into timestamp data types, with support for various formats and precision levels. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the percent timestamp bolt-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more IBM I tips and tutorials.